Hey guys, Art Aronson here for AAASportsplays.com. Off back-to-back winning days, we kept it going yesterday in a big way with a massive 4-1 day with our premium picks. We were able to sweep the NBA, getting our pick in the under between the Portland Trail Blazers and the Houston Rockets. We also won with the Brooklyn Nets as they were the slight underdog in Toronto, and we got them at a pretty close margin there as we were able to win against the spread. We also won in the NHL with the Los Angeles Kings as they were the underdog and won outright in San Jose, getting some nice juice there. We won in Major League Baseball as well, our lone pick there with the St. Louis Cardinals. Our only loser was in the Minnesota-Colorado game in the NHL where we picked the under and it went just over as the game went to overtime. Now, before I get into our 4 premium picks for today, I just want to hook you up with our free play of the day. Of course, you can find our full write-up of our free play on AAASportsplays.com. For the full write-up, I'm just going to dumb it down for you a little bit today. It's a 1-star free play on the under between the Toronto Blue Jays and the Kansas City Royals. They're playing in Kansas City here, and the Jays and Royals played in a lower scoring game yesterday, a 4-2 game. I expect we see kind of the same type of score here. The Jays, well, they've been struggling of late, that's for sure, mainly because of their bullpen, but their starting pitching hasn't been a problem, and they have their best pitcher on the mound today in Mark Buehrle. Now, Buehrle, he has gone 7 innings or more in all but one start this season. He's coming off a forgettable start, but I think he bounces back here as he's had a pretty good record against the Kansas City Royals. He's 23-12 all-time against them with a tidy 3.66 ERA. This season he holds a really nice 2.06 ERA in total. So yeah, he's playing pretty well. Look for him to kind of bounce back here and get a nice start against the Royals. The Royals, meanwhile, will send Jeremy Guthrie to the hill. Now, Guthrie's a pretty solid pitcher, and he has a pretty tidy 3.34 ERA against the Jays over his lifetime. So I think he brings it here again at home. At home, he has a much lower ERA than he does on the road, which is not surprising, of course. So, of course, take the under between the Jays and the Royals tomorrow as the free pick. Now, we have 4 picks to go for today. We have 2 10-star picks in the NBA, and we also have a pick in the NHL, just a lone pick as it's just one game in the NHL. And it's kind of a slower day in Major League Baseball, so we have just 1 pick there as well. Now, to tell you, the NBA, we're 15-8 with our playoff picks so far. In the NHL, we're 165-13 on the season for plus 24,000 units on the year. Major League Baseball, we're a solid 9-2 on the run line. That's more than just solid. That's pretty awesome. And we're 30-18 altogether on the pitch. So yeah, we're doing well in all our sports. We're among the nation's leaders. So yes, make sure you go to AAASportsplays.com and get some picks and all your betting advice there. Good luck as always, and just win, baby.